In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Spotify password. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. After signing in, look in the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. This may appear as a small circle with an image or an initial. Click the profile icon, then select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account overview. From there, locate the Security and Privacy section. Select it, then choose Change Password. You should now see 3 fields for updating your password. Start by entering your current password in the first field. Enter it exactly as you currently use it. Next, enter your new password in the second field. After that, type the same new password again in the confirmation field. Make sure both entries match before continuing. For your new password, use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple sequences or personal details that are easy to guess. If you use a password manager, you can use it to generate and store a unique password. Once you have entered your current password and confirmed your new password, check that everything is correct. Then click Set New Password to save the changes. Give the page a moment to process your request. After the password has been updated, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the change was successful. If the password update does not go through, check the entries you provided. Make sure your current password was entered correctly and that the new password and confirmation match exactly. After the change is complete, use your new password when signing in across your devices. If you have saved login information in multiple browsers or devices, update the saved login details with your new password. Keep your password private, store it securely, and avoid reusing the same password on other services. That's how to change your Spotify password. Thank you for watching.